The attorney representing two Amherst lieutenants who were part of an officer-involved shooting is speaking out tonight, saying he believes the use of deadly force was justified. Our Trina Catterson joins us now with those new details. Trina.
Kelsey, Buffalo attorney Thomas Burton, who is representing those two Amherst lieutenants, tells me he has worked on numerous officer-involved shooting cases, but he believes this was a clear circumstance in which the officers had to protect their own lives. According to Burton, officers were responding to a reported domestic disturbance on Bailey Avenue. They were informed before arriving that the male suspect was armed with a knife. When officers got to the scene and began trying to de-escalate the situation, the suspect allegedly jumped from a window and attacked one of them, knocking him to the ground. That officer was then stabbed by the suspect, prompting the other responding officer to fire at the man.
When this individual squirted out of the back window of the house, the cop had about 2 seconds to respond, and he was on the officer with uplifted knives in about 2 seconds. The whole thing was over in about 4 seconds. And what we teach the cops is that detached reflection is not required in the face of an uplifted knife. And that's exactly what took place here.
Both the officer and the suspect were brought to ECMC to be treated. The officer who sustained stab wounds has since been released. The suspect is stable and remains under police custody. Now, the name of the suspect has not been released at this time. Burton tells me the Amherst officers are currently on paid administrative leave as several different departments finish up their initial investigations. Reporting in the studio, Trina Catterson, News 4.